Hi, I'm Brian with Tembotusk here. I want to give you guys a quick rundown of how to put the fire pit together. First, I want to run through what comes in your fire pit in the bag. I'll set that aside for now. We have the end pieces. You get 2 of them. You get 2 side pieces. You get a drop-in V. You get a burner and a diffuser, and you have metal flames that you put on there. You also have a bag of lava rocks, as well as a gas hose. And I'll set this aside for now. So your first step of putting the fire pit together is going to be taking the side pieces and end pieces and slotting them together, just like that. Make sure that the Tembotusk lettering is facing inwards. You're gonna grab your second side piece and line it up with the hole there. And you're gonna put that together just like that. You're gonna take your drop-in V next, put it in the center, just like that. Next is the burner. And when you put the burner in, take a close look at it. Make sure you find those holes on it and make sure they're pointing up, as that's where the gas comes out and that's where you want your flames to go. Insert that into the end pieces. There's a notch on the burner that slides into the Made in America side, and there's a hole for the end of the burner on the elephant side. Next, you're gonna take your diffuser and you're gonna add it to the slot and over the burner. And then one of the last steps here is you're gonna put your flames together, just like this. You're gonna put that on top of the diffuser, just like that. And you're going to take your lava rocks, place them in there as well. The lava rocks are what give off the heat. When you're using this, be aware of where you're placing this. Don't put it on dry materials. We don't want to start any forest fires here. And when you do put it away, probably should use some gloves. It will get a little dirty. If you have any questions, you can check out more at tembotusk.com and get yourself a fire pit. Thanks. Take care.